Mastering idiomatic expressions. Pull number punches. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an idiomatic expression that packs a punch, literally and figuratively. We're talking about pull no punches. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about idiomatic expressions, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning, origin, and how to use this expression in your daily conversations. The phrase, pull no punches, is an idiomatic expression that means to speak frankly or honestly without holding back any criticism or opinions. It implies a level of directness and openness, where the speaker does not try to soften the impact of their words. Originally from boxing, where a fighter does not hold back their punches to ensure maximum impact, this expression has transcended the world of sports to become a staple in everyday English conversations. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help us better grasp their meanings. The phrase, pull no punches, comes directly from the sport of boxing. In boxing, pulling a punch means to intentionally miss or lessen the force of a punch, often to avoid harming the opponent excessively. The term began to be used metaphorically in the early 20th century, indicating a situation where someone does not hold back their efforts or words, ensuring their full impact is felt. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how you can use pull no punches in your conversations. 1. Criticism and feedback. When giving feedback or criticism, using the phrase can signal that you are being honest and direct, perhaps more so than usual. For example, in her review of the movie, the critic pulled no punches, calling it the worst film of the year. 2. Arguments and debates. In heated discussions or debates, saying someone pulls no punches indicates they are not holding back their arguments or opinions. It can convey the intensity and seriousness with which they are approaching the debate. 3. Personal opinions. Expressing personal opinions, especially on controversial topics, might warrant the use of this expression to emphasize the speaker's forthrightness and honesty. We hope this exploration of pull no punches has been enlightening and adds a powerful punch to your English language arsenal. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can add color and precision to your speech, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. Don't hesitate to use pull no punches when you want to convey honesty and directness in your communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned.